Good afternoon, students. Yesterday I introduced you with the tense, means the form of the verb which tells us the happening of an action is called tense. Okay? Then there are different forms of the verbs which tell us when the action has taken place. Okay? Now, in exercise first on page number 82, we have to separate the verbs which are given on the exercise. First exercise, first sentence. These girls play hockey. They learned the game at the hockey institute. So play is the present tense and learned is the past tense. I knew how to play tennis. I don't play it anymore. So knew is the past tense and don't play or play. It is past tense, present tense. Then I want to play both chess and hockey. Want is the present form and I practice both the games. So practice here is also present tense. Okay? Then my parents were athletes. Were. Here it is past tense. Then they won many awards. Won is the past tense. Okay? So this is the distribution of verbs according to the sentence. Go through it properly. Play, play, want, practice. Learn, knew, were, won. So these are the sentences. I explained to you what are the routine actions and facts. Routine actions are the actions which we do day to day, but facts never change. As I gave you one example, the sun rises in the east. We need air to breathe. Oxygen is the vital gas, or oxygen is needed to stay alive. Then leaves provide oxygen in the presence of sunlight. Okay? Leaves is a plural noun. Provide or produce, you can use oxygen during daylight. Okay? Now, my father usually drives his car to work. So this is a routine. Okay? Routine action. The teacher gives us homework every day. It is also a routine. My father goes to temple every day. It is a routine. Then, if I say water consists of hydrogen and oxygen, it is fact. Atmosphere contains many gases. It is a fact. Okay? So in the next exercise, we have to solve the exercise number, means let's practice on page number 83. Okay, let's come to this practice exercise on page number 83. It is Rahim said, what do you usually do on weekends? Do. It is routine. Okay? Then I usually go swimming. Go. It is also a routine. Then I know, Rahim said, I know a girl called Radhika. No. मतलब कि ये क्या है? फैक्ट है. is a fact. Then she also likes to swim a lot. So to is used with the first form of the verb and we call it to infinitive. To swim. Swim. It is fact. Okay? I do not know this girl. Sid said, I do not know this girl. No, do not know. Do not know. It is a fact. She lives near the railway station now. She lives because वो रहती है, it is a fact. She lives, it is a fact. Okay? She works at a bank. अब वो बैंक में काम डेली करती है. It means it is a routine. She works. Okay? Routine. Then I want to meet her. So want is मैं चाहता हूँ is a fact. Okay? I want to meet her is a fact. Okay? So this is all about the exercise on this page number 83. Let's have some sentences on negative. Today's wishes are to make negative sentences using present tense. First of all, if I say I like ice cream, if we are going to make its negative sentence, remember this fact that we have to add a helping verb which is do or does. Do oblique does. Okay? We have to use do or does. I do not like. Okay? I do not like ice cream. Okay? In any condition, this sentence cannot be changed into negative without the help of this helping verb. Generally, आप जो एरर करते हो वो क्या करते हो? I के साथ simply not add करते हो, which is incorrect. I do not like ice cream. So this is the way to change an affirmative sentence into a negative one. Okay? This is how we change the affirmative sentences into negative ones. Remember, singulars, she, he, and it. If they are singulars, we use s or es with the verb. Okay? S or es with the verb to make it negative. With the helping verb. Okay? Do or does. Verb or s or es is used in the present simple tense, and while we change it into negative, we use do or does. Remember this thing. Do or does is used while we change it into a negative. Like, if I write she does not like ice cream. Again we are going to write they do not like ice cream. Okay? This is the way. If it is written here, it is also right. He does not like ice cream. They do not like ice cream. But in case of you, if it is plural or singular, you can be singular or plural. दोनों के लिए हम यू ही यूज़ करते हैं, चाहे हम बहुत सारे से बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे सिंगुलर यू, कोई एक भी पर्सन है, जब हम उससे कह रहे हैं तुम, या बहुत सारे लोग हो सामने, तब भी हम तुम ही यूज़ करते हैं यू. सो यू डू नॉट, यू के साथ यू ही आएगा, चाहे वो सिंगुलर है चाहे वो प्लूरल है. यू डू नॉट लाइक आइसक्रीम. ओके, यू डू नॉट लाइक आइसक्रीम. सो आई होप you have understood what is conveyed through this negative sentences. I am going to make a table for you. So, I can don't. He, she, it. They carry doesn't. And you, we, and they. They carry don't with them. Okay? Because these are the plurals, these are singulars, and I carry don't with it. First of all, we are going to make an example with it. It doesn't rain heavily in Rajasthan. It doesn't. So, it carries doesn't. In negative sentences, it doesn't carry. It doesn't rain heavily in Rajasthan. And I have already given you several examples with he, she, you, I. He, they, we. So take care while making the negative sentences. Always use this auxiliary verb do or does while we make the negative sentences of it. Now we come to interrogative sentences. There is nothing new in it. While we make interrogative sentences, we just put this helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Does she like ice cream? And then interrogative sign at the end. Do you play cricket? Here also I have put do helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, and these questions are called yes no type questions or helping verb type questions. Okay? Another example, do they like to read? Okay? Do they like to read? Do is the helping verb which is placed at the beginning of the sentence. Here, these all are examples of interrogative sentences. Earlier, the examples were of negative sentences, and now take and write these examples with interrogative sentences. Okay? So go through the table which is on page number 84. Now we come to page number 84. These are interrogative sentences. Negative. We have made negative sentences. And interrogative sentences. We have learned both of them. So negative sentences, as I told you, are made with the helping verb by do or does, but it is used just before the helping verb, before the main verb. Okay? I am going to make all the three examples. She plays cricket. Okay? This is affirmative sentence and S is used with the verb. Okay? Same sentence is changed into negative. Negative sentence. She does not play cricket. This is negative one. Then interrogative. We have to use this helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Does she play cricket? So I hope all of you have understood what is taught today. Okay? ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब बिगिनिंग में आ जाएगी और इंट्रोगेटिव में डज नॉट सिमिलर नाउन्स के साथ, प्लूरल्स के साथ डू नॉट, वही चीज़ इंट्रोगेटिव में डज बिगिनिंग में आ जाएगा सिमिलर नाउन के साथ, और वर्ब का एस जो पहले था अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस का एस नेगेटिव में और इंट्रोगेटिव में रिमूव हो जाए. टेक केयर. Are you getting my point? The letter S which was used in affirmative sentence is removed in present simple and in the negative sentences of present simple and affirmative sentences. Okay? Got it? Negative और interrogative sentences से affirmative sentence वाला जो ये S है इसको हटा दिया जाए. Okay? Fine. So I hope you all have got it and understood what is taught to you today. Now, can we have these exercises on WH questions? How to frame WH word questions? In WH questions, WH type questions, we use type questions. Okay? In WH type questions, we again use this auxiliary word do or does. Okay? WH words कौन से होते हैं पहले तो ये बता. Where, when, what, why. Okay? Where, when, what. These are और भी है who, whose. All these are WH questions. Okay? And when we change the affirmative sentence into a WH type question, like I eat a mango a day. क्या खाते हो? क्या पूछा जा रहा है? I eat a mango a day. मैं एक मैंगो डेली खाता हूँ. Fine. I have to make a WH question for this. तो मैं क्या पूछूंगी? What do you eat? Isn't it? What? Question will be. मैं अपने लिए ही क्वेश्चन बनाना है. For we are not going to change the form of the sentence. So we are going to write what do I eat? Okay, what do I eat? I eat a mango a day. Okay? You fight. Next example is you fight. तुम लड़ते हो तो पूछा जाएगा ना, वाई डू यू फाइट? क्यों लड़ते हो? वाई डू यू फाइट? बट रिमेंबर दिस ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब इज पुट बिफोर द नाउन और pronoun. Okay? Why do you fight? Then she, next sentence is she sings in the evening. This is the sentence. She sings in the evening. And if I am going to make this interrogative sentence with WH word, हम क्या पूछेंगे? कब? सेंटेंस से क्या आंसर निकल के आ रहा है कि वो कब क्या गा रहा है. So when does she sing? When does she sing? So this is the way we are going to use for making interrogative sentences.